unparalleled opportunities. Odisha, the growth engine of the East.
ओडिशा आउटस्टैंडिंग है। ओडिशा नए भारत के ऑप्टिमिज्म और ओरिजिनलिटी का प्रतीक है।
Odisha has emerged as a key player in India's high-growth industrial landscape, creating huge investment opportunities in diverse sectors.
Come invest in Odisha because this is the right time. यही समय है, सही समय है।
Odisha has the highest deposits of minerals in the country, leading to global investments in metal and downstream industries. Odisha's strong economy, strategic location, robust connectivity, and a progressive industrial policy makes it the preferred destination for global investors. Energy surplus and water-abundant Odisha has developed large land banks, making it fully conducive to establishment of large-scale industries with high growth potential. Odisha nurtures skilled youth for the industries of tomorrow with presence of premier national institutions. Globally, the petrochemical sector is experiencing rapid growth, where India emerges as a leading country in petrochemical refinery exports. Enriching the ecosystem, Odisha's upcoming chemicals, petrochemicals and plastic sector offers numerous opportunities for growth, augmented by Indian Oil Corporation Limited, IOCL's 15 MMTPA refinery in Paradip. Odisha is fast becoming a petrochemicals hub of India. The upcoming Naphtha Cracker project at Paradip will boost downstream investments in technical textiles, plastics and chemicals. Paradip, the largest major seaport in eastern India, will boost Odisha's petrochemicals sector by connecting it with the Southeast Asia. Odisha will be the growth engine of Viksit Bharat in the coming days. Aligned with the vision, the state government is committed to attract global investors to the region.
यहाँ की सरकार, यहाँ का वातावरण बहुत अनुकूल है इंडस्ट्री लगाने के लिए। जैसे सूर्य का उदय पूर्व से होता है, वैसे ही विकसित भारत का उदय उड़ीसा से होगा।
उड़ीसा इंडस्ट्रियल क्षेत्र में इसलिए भी आगे है क्योंकि उसकी वर्क फोर्स एक बहुत ही बढ़िया वर्क फोर्स है और यहाँ के लोग वो काम को बहुत ही ध्यान से करने वाले लोगों में से एक है।
Paradip is home to India's state-of-the-art 15 billion metric tons per annum refinery and has emerged as a cornerstone of Odisha's thriving industrial sector. With our refinery and petrochemical complex including monoethyl glycol, that is MEG, and polypropylene units, we have invested more than 54,000 crores in the state. We have plans to invest another 80,000 crores in upcoming projects including PSPGA and dual feed naphtha cracker. Our 4,300 crore yarn project is set to play a pivotal role in the growth of textile industry in the region.
Odisha will be the new home of chemicals and petrochemical sector industries in India. Come, invest in Odisha, invest in future.